Gang, Gucci, Sky Gang, Louis, Sky Gang, Gucci.
Good evening, Daddy. What is this, Sky Gang? Is you recording?
Hager! Hager! Hager!
I never see you go win. You gonna get fried and a pie and a sandwich. $2.
Hey, can I get $2?
You feel like I got $2?
Yes, you got 20, 5,
I spent that.
100.
I wish.
You got more than 100.
Got some stacking shoes right back there. What up, Sky Gang, man? We're back with another video, another vlog. Let's get this day started, man. Nothing but fun. Holla though. Look at her looking crazy. What y'all turn this musically off, man?
Wait,
TikTok.
wait, do it again. Watch this.
Look at her. Everybody in their phone, look. Phone.
I'm not supposed to. I don't know.
Phone.
She told me there was something about they broke up over. She posted something, a boy or a pastor or something.
What is she doing? Music? Tania, put your tell me your TikTok name. I'm gonna put it in the bottom of the screen. What's the name of it? What's your TikTok name?
I don't know.
Well, you have people follow you, man. Tell them your TikTok name. She don't want the followers, y'all. On the real. Because your boy got followers. You know what I'm talking about? Say what's up to the Sky Gang.
They call me a little spooky. I'll blast on your ass.
Say what's up to the Sky Gang.
Damn.
She don't want to say hi to y'all. She fit made me cry for her. I don't even want to cry no more for because she don't want to say hi to y'all. I'm going to talk to y'all later. I'm going to see y'all in a minute. Yeah, and I got to give y'all a tour of my living room. As y'all can see, it's my living room. My TV. It's the back of my living room, man. We finna get it set up for prom, man. I got my little cousin, man, going on prom that I take care of. You know what I'm saying? He finna go on prom. He finna go ahead and do his thing. Then I got a graduation. His graduation. My daughter graduating from 8th grade. The one was just all in the cam. You don't want to say hi to y'all. But, hey. You come in the living room.
It's on the camera, so I need you to not be on the camera.
And that's it, man. And, that's the tour of my living room, man. She don't want to be on camera. Alright? So I'll see y'all in a minute, y'all. Bye.
But she just came here to talk.
One time out of all the times.
Okay, but she was making an effort, Isaiah. So even though you're hurting inside, you should have seen what she had to say. To see if whatever she had to say was good enough for you.
Where's she at?
She left.
She left? Her mom came and got her?
Yeah, her mom came and picked up, but then she called me because she don't know what to do because Deja's over there going crazy. Now you over here going crazy, but you guys don't even know that both of y'all are going crazy over each other. Because you guys genuinely really love each other, but you have to figure out what to do with each other. So it's not a time to be sad. It's not a time to cry. You guys need to figure it out. Like I told Deja's mom when she called me the first time. I said, oh, just give them some time apart. Maybe they need some time apart. They done been with each other since freshman year. She said, okay. So then Deja called me out of the blue and said, Mom, can I come over and talk to Zach? Don't tell him I'm over here. Okay.
Well, y'all might just go ahead and make that work. Go ahead and kiss and make up.
I've already adopted Deja as my daughter-in-law.
Me too,
I've
folks.
already accepted her into my family.
Me too, G.
I don't really do this whole you with other new people. You know how I am about new girls and new relationships and new parents.
Before I keep crying to y'all for I don't even want to cry no more. Gee, I'm tired of crying.
Really has to tell them this.
For y'all just go ahead.
You want to take a break for a while and then try it again, or what do you
Y'all want to
do?
go see Avengers?
Or you just want to be done?
I want to go see the Avengers movie.
You don't know?
And we can go together. You want to go see the Avengers movie?
Okay, so
We can go see the Avengers movie.
you just really need to think about it, okay? Think nice, long, and hard, because what I heard, me and Deja gonna be prime king and queen probably. You ain't made it that far yet, and y'all you already done threw in the towel.
All days of my tell to come back. Folks still
Calling me stressing me out.
But that's what we need to do, folks. On my kids' shit.
Y'all need to really sit down and figure out, without yelling, you have an adult conversation about the reason why you feel the way you feel and the reason why, or whatever she feel the way she feel. Oh, officer, you ain't picked her up? Wait a minute now.
So where she go?
Oh, okay. Okay, can you bring her back to my house, please, ma'am? I can.
Yeah, tell we'll bring her home. Real life, y'all. I'm gonna put some sad music behind this.
I can bring her home. I said I can bring her home. Am I on? I'm on. I said I can bring her home.
You talking too low.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, you can bring her home.
Isaiah, tell me how you feel, man. Tell the Sky Gang how you feel, man. For they need to see the real you. Tell the Sky Gang how you feeling.
Well,
You heartbroken, man. But y'all don't even know why y'all didn't broke up. Y'all doing all this boo-hooing.
She was tweaking.
She was just tweaking.
She kept telling me I was cheating and stuff. That had no evidence of me cheating on nobody. With nothing. And don't even got a reason. I asked you why you think so. I don't know. That don't even make sense, bro. Like how you gonna accuse me of cheating and then don't even know why you don't even know why you think I'm cheating?
Well, I already know how it is, man.
That's dumb. And then you gonna leave me after that and then expect me to be all
Lovey-dovey.
the next day. Like that don't make no sense, bro. That's not how that game works.
So when her birthday?
February.
Oh my gosh. Folks, she like me, folks. I be over stuff like the next day. Nigga, I be over stuff the next few minutes.
But no, that's not. She don't be over stuff because she keep it in. She'll hold the grudge until the next argument. Then she'll
Bring it up.
That's stupid, bro.
That's how women is, G. That's how I be. That's how women be, man. They like to bring up stuff. They hold it into the next little thing, and they bring it out. And then argument will be about who ate the last chips. Then you bring up something about I'm cheating because I ate the last few chips. Like what the last few chips got to do with me cheating? You feel me?
But if I do it, it's throwing something back in her face. Like you just did the same thing, but now I'm throwing stuff in your face.
I already know, man. That's how they be, man. But I feel you, man. If you don't want to break up no more, shit, you just gotta tell her, man. I ain't for all that breaking up, boo.
I told her that before. I told her like 4 times. I don't want no on and off relationship. That's irritating.
You know what you gotta do? You just gotta sometimes you gotta get her a break. Let her miss you a little bit. You feel me? Like you see her at school, y'all kick it, whatever, y'all kick it every weekend. But one weekend, so just give her a break. Let her miss you. Let her realize what she got. You get jealous.
So you have to learn how to trust him because, like I said, you're very special to him. I've never met nobody. He's put a lot of emphasis in Deja. Like he said, Mom, I'm gonna marry her, and I'm like, boy, you only 15 years old. What you talking about marriage for? Ain't nobody got time for that. But this is my child, and I know him. You know what I'm saying? And I know that he knows what he wants. So as far as letting your guard down or trusting somebody, I would rather for you to trust him than to trust whoever else it is, because I don't know nobody else. But you have to learn how to trust him, and both of y'all have to learn how to communicate with each other. You know, if y'all set y'all boundaries and he said, okay, you know, of course, Isaiah, you can't tell us you can't talk to nobody. Like, just say hi. I mean, okay, that's fine. Somebody speak to you, speak back.
I ain't told him that shit. He told me that.
But, you know, as far as like, Deja, what you doing after school? You be like, none of your business. You know, that type of conversation. Okay, that's different. But, you know, y'all are in high school. Y'all in y'all sophomore year. So y'all have to figure out, you know, a middle for the both of y'all to make it work, because I don't want to see y'all both right. I already told you. I've already accepted you as my
Get out of here.
I already know that my son is gonna marry you. So this is why I told your mom they'll fix it, because I know my child. He's not a young man who want to just go get with everybody.
Right, because if he leave you, he gonna be going to a boy. I think he got a little sugar in his tank.
Don't listen to him.
Tell him stop smacking me on my butt when I walk past here. On my kids.
Don't listen to Tyrone. This is what make y'all laugh right now. He don't like seeing nobody cry. So don't worry about special over there.